What's up, YouTube? Stogie Man, aka Big T the Barber, back at you with a quick unboxing. I just picked this up a few minutes ago. Andis profoil shaver. I already cut it so I could actually take it out with one hand. Feels pretty good. Feels like a nice quality product. Pop this off real quick. Oh, guess I need to charge it first. I'll charge it for I believe, from what everybody tells me, is like 16 hours. It feels really good in the hand. Equal foil lengths. They're not stepped like the wall shaver shaper. I actually got this because I wanted a quality tool. I hear a lot of people complaining about the wall shaver shaper where, it was always something wrong with it. I mean, from what I hear, Wall has a great warranty. No problems with the customer service, but for me, I'm kind of like, why even go through all the trouble when you can get a product that will work right out the box and you will basically never have a problem with. And also, Andis has a great customer service. So that's that. And also, well, let's see what comes in here. Instruction booklet, and the charger. I also heard that once you charge this thing up, it lasts for a really, really long time. So, quite excited about that. I've been wanting one for a while now. I have a Norelco shaver and what was my other one? Remington. The Remington I use quite often. My Norelco shaver, I actually have to get another charging cord. That was the 3-round foil. The one I use now is the Remington, which is the twin foil, like that one. And moving on to make this quick, I actually picked this up to do my mobile cuts. I actually packed it up last night because I had a cut today after work. Picked this up from Harbor Freight. They had two. They had the one, the silver one and the black one. I like the black one because it actually came with foam that you don't even have to cut. It's already perforated and you take it out and just fit it to whatever clippers that you have. So today, what I have in here, I'm going to have different things all the time, but today I have my Wall Senior V9000, my 5-star Senior V9000, my T-outliner with the ProMate. I will never leave home without this. This is the super liner. This is my favorite trimmer now, and I took this just in case, the Wall detailer. Shout out to Step to Me. He made a video last night on adjusting the blade on this detailer. I'm actually going to go do that in a few minutes. I readjusted it again a few days ago, and it seems to be doing fine. But I'm just going to go ahead and take his advice on how to do it. So that's that. My Parker shaver. I showed everybody about that, and the reason I got this, let me make sure we can get a good view. It came with dividers and the foam, like right here. So my clippers are stationary. I don't have to worry about them moving. Depending on what I'm going to do, like most of the time I won't even carry 3 trimmers. I'll just carry 2, and this will be a slot for my BGRs or my masters or something like that, depending. But anyway, perfect size for my my clips, and also my blade holder that I have for my BGRs. They fit perfectly right here. Foam padding. On here I just have my comb, brush, my shears, my business cards. I don't actually have anything behind this yet. That's just about it. Let's not make it too long. Like I said, Harbor Freight, $25 and some change. Works great. And also, this is actually, the bottom of the case is actually lined with some kind of soft padding, so a bunch of layers of protection. So it works for me. That's it.